Hello people, we're doing something a little different today. I'm going to try a new format in this video and give you a bite-sized look at a few of the biggest brand updates from the past week or so. Kind of like a short form news show but on branding. So welcome to the first episode of Brand News. Do you like that? It's about branding but it's new, but then it's news because let's just get started. Alright, the first brand we're looking at this week is Xiaomi, the Chinese tech giant who shamelessly just copies designs from Apple and Samsung. They have just unveiled the new logo and believe me, they did not cut corners on this whatsoever, because they just rounded them instead. It's basically the same logo, but instead of a square, it's now a squircle. You're probably thinking, that can't have taken very long, right? 4 years, I'm not even kidding. They started this rebrand in 2017. I mean, I get that you go through a number of iterations and large corporate rebrands tend to take a little longer than normal, but that's just ridiculous. And in typical Xiaomi fashion, it even resembles Samsung's One UI icon shapes. With this new logo and brand identity, Xiaomi is aiming to cement its name in the premium segment of the market. So I guess now we can expect them to rip off more high-end products too. Maybe they'll start making electric cars like our next brand, German car giant VW. Some of you may have seen my post on LinkedIn about it, but for those of you who don't have my profile set as your homepage for whatever reason, Volkswagen decided to troll us all and pretend to rename themselves as Volkswagen. As I mentioned in my post, I thought it was actually a really clever play on words, and the move would have had to reinforce their commitment to electric vehicles as the future of their business. But it turned out to be an April Fool's prank. In March. Now, I don't know if somebody accidentally pressed publish on this a little early, but news outlets like CNN didn't find it very funny when they realized they reported fake news. I guess Trump was right about them all along.
Fake news. CNN, fake.
But they got their revenge on Volkswagen by reminding everyone of the emission scandal. I wonder if the PR was worth the damage to the brand reputation. They should take PR tips from the final brand we're looking at this week, which is KFC. Their PR and marketing teams are one of the best out there. Remember the ad they put out when they ran out of chicken? And you may have noticed how they've been blurring out their slogan for the past year due to the pandemic. I mean, finger licking is a big no-no right now. Well, this past week they've been asking to borrow a slogan from other brands, and some of the replies have been epic. Red Bull had offered them theirs, which was very fitting, and Deliveroo suggested I feel like chicken tonight.
I feel like chicken tonight, like chicken tonight.
Here are some of my favourite ones from the publicity stunt. Drop a chicken emoji in the comments if you recognise which brands all of these belong to, and let me know if you can think of a better one. Okay, that's it for this week, and I would love your feedback on what you think of this new format. Let me know if you enjoyed it. Would you want me to make more of these? Do you like the name Brand News? Do you wish I had more here? Just let it all out in the comments below. And I'll still be making those occasional deep dive videos into major rebrands, but this way I get to cover more topics and, let's face it, poke more fun at more brands all in one go. Don't forget to press that like button and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.
I feel like chicken tonight, like chicken tonight, chicken tonight.